Here it is. The GoPro Hero 5 Black. Waterproof, voice control, stability, I don't care, and touch display. And, yeah, waterproof, I already said that. And 4K. So, as you can see, there's photo, video.
Waterproof, simple one button control, and a bunch of different stuff. So, as you can see, this is me here.
Alright, so as you can see, how do I?
I know all you guys are like, bro, you're so stupid. I am honestly so confused right now. I did rip it back too.
God. Alright, so this is the box. Like the package. So here's a GoPro. And there's a box. So it says lift up. I can't. Okay, I'm just gonna save that for after and see what's inside. We got this stuff. We have the battery, which is in this package. Battery. The flat thing that goes on. The curved one. The charger. And of course, the GoPro that is bothering me. So let's get into the GoPro. Boom! See that? We just did that awesome transition. So leave my phone there. So this is a lamp here. So when you walk in, there's this door. Here is this is wobbly. There's the chair. This thing is in the way, so I'm just gonna push this. So there's a nice chair. Let's see how comfortable this is. See me. I made a video. Put my computer. And the outlet, phone thing, my key, room service policy. Please notify the desk if you are traveling with a pet. There's a fee for having a pet. Yeah, so after that is this like little living room right here. There's one chair here, little couch right here that has a pull out. These things you can put your feet on, or if you have like a lot of people, you can sit on it too. TV, cable box, remotes, actually a nice TV. And then if we go over here, there's a chair. There's two chairs, like a little kitchen. Very small table counter, like table, like an old coffee machine, like not really like one of the ones where you put the little thing in. I've actually seen one of those before. Washing machine. Okay, dishwasher, drawer with garbage and paper towels, sink, some soap. This does not open. Oh wow. What is this thing? That's nice. We got some pots and pans. Got a nice marble thing for those. What a stove. This is a nice stove, actually. Turn it on to heat. Oven, I think. I don't know. I don't really care. Freezer. It's a freezer. And the social menu, what's through the week and stuff. And yeah. And fridge. What else? Paper towels. Oh wow. Glasses, things, cups. That's actually nice.
There's a toaster. Oh, look. Cool. Love it. So cool. Oh, but we make our own coffee. There's some Splenda sugar, salt, and pepper. And there's a little things
Okay, but if there is, I will record that in like after or something. Oh yeah, and there's 3 paintings right here that look pretty nice. Really nice paintings. See, there's 1, 2, and 3. And here's another lamp. There we go. And look at our view. There's the pool down there. Yo, look at that view, bro. This thing is lit. I really like this. I might actually use this a lot. Oh, they even have basketball court. That is so nice. No lifeguard, I do. And here's like the, oh yeah, we have some compliment treats. Yeah. And another painting and more outlets. Now if we walk into here, is the room with the bed, a mirror. Look how tiny this thing is. A nice TV. 3 drawers with nothing in them. Oh wow! Mom!
Yeah.
Mom!
Okay.
We have a Bible. I did not see that coming. I know, I'm just looking around. Yeah, this is the bed. This is the bathroom. Yeah. Oh yeah, guys, my mom was just wearing like these shorts that are tan shorts. She does not like to turn off her phone. That's why her battery dies. Mom. You actually have to like turn off your phone because then that's why your phone dies so much, because you don't turn off your phone.
What happened?
Like there's a mirror.
Yeah. Go ahead. Let me just get ready.
Bathroom.
It's
Closet.
Hot iron. Hot iron.
Hot iron. Yeah. Another painting. This light. Obviously streets. I don't know what these are. That thing is for, but yeah. I mean, I'm pretty sure you guys can see me if I sit down because of the wide angle lens. But I'm probably like all the way at the bottom of the screen. But I mean, it looks nice. Wow, I've been recording for 6 minutes and 50 seconds on the GoPro. On the pool with the GoPro. Actually, you know, I'm gonna put that in a video that I will post tomorrow. Well, later. Well, when this video comes out, it'll probably be tomorrow. So it'll just be the video after this video. That's when that video will come out of me going in the pool. I'm gonna do like a montage and stuff. Yes, this is really nice though. I really like the views too. Just chill here sometimes. Chill out. This is nice. This thing said that we're only staying for 2 days. Damn, I'm going back home to Godzilla. Yeah. Yeah. Also, guys, in my future videos, I'm going to be wearing Logan Paul merch, it's Maverick stuff, because he just dropped this massive stuff, and yeah, it's gonna be awesome. And I'm a low gangster.com. So in the description, the first thing in the description will be if you're a low gang Pauler. He also has website to his shop, and also put a shirt with the Maverick logo on the back. It says Low Gang Paulers. But yeah, I'm a low gangster. So this quality is very good. Obviously, it's 180 degrees, so you can probably see out here. But I mean, yeah. So I'm gonna do most of my videos with it. This video is very long. I'm very sorry. But that was just a little quick tour and what the GoPro looks like. It looks lit. And look, we're probably gonna run. Pretty stable. Alright, so I'm gonna go to my brother's game and then yeah. Alright, so I'm just gonna end it here. Make sure to like, subscribe, share. Again, loganpaul.com/shop. Link in the description. If you're a Logan Pauler, you can get some stuff there if you want. If you don't feel like it, then that's fine. But I mean, shout out to Logan Paul. So yeah, I'm also gonna put his YouTube channel in the description too. Those are the first 2 links. So I will see you all later. Sorry about the long video, and also sorry that I haven't posted in a while. But I will see you all later. Alright? Make sure to like, subscribe, share. I already said that. Peace.